The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the insurance and pension sectors, industry players have called on operators and regulators to leverage on technology to remain relevant and stay in business. They made the call during the 2021 edition of the National Association of Insurance and Pension Correspondents annual conference in Lagos. Blessed Omonose reports.
Financial inclusion is increasingly becoming an aspect of priority across the globe, as its importance comes from the promise it holds as a tool for economic development, particularly in the areas of poverty reduction, employment generation, wealth creation, and improved welfare and general standards of living. However, for Nigeria to achieve 100% financial inclusion, the pension and insurance sector must be given much attention, as this will increase the adoption of non-banking products and services that will improve the economic and financial status of Nigerian households and businesses. To this end, stakeholders in the insurance and pension sectors have converged in Lagos to address the impact of COVID-19 on financial inclusion at the 2021 edition of the annual conference of the National Association of Insurance and Pension Correspondents.
Insurance and pension are key instruments for survival. If you don't have insurance, when any risk comes, that person will just fall flat. But once you have insurance in the time of risk, insurance will help you to actually rebound. And pension plays the same role. You are working when you are active. In your active days, you wake up, you go to work. But at the time that you are more or less tired, when you are aged, you have something to fall back on. You know, that is why even the government looked at it and said, okay, insurance and pension should be esteemed when it comes to financial inclusion.
COVID has affected the pension sector in different ways. People losing their jobs and operators not being having to go to work. But it's also helped us to digitize some of our services. Now people are working from home and benefits can be accessed without having to come to the offices. So that has been one fallout of COVID. But also people losing their jobs and being able to access the 25% after 4 months. That is something that has shown the strength of the system and then the inbuilt safety nets within the pension system.
With the disruption caused by the pandemic on the financial sector, these industry players urge operators to take advantage of the numerous benefits inherent in technological advancement.
Most importantly is the fact that wherever you are for pensioners verification, you can do it anywhere from all over the world. This never used to be. So I would say, yes, the positive aspect, it has enabled us to compete in the global market, how business is done. You don't really have to be there physically. And of course, another positive is that it has improved us technologically. You know, we can move in line with the time. So we can compete with our competitors all over the world.
This pandemic has helped us all go back on how we can use IT better. You find that a lot of activity, a lot of the processes have been automated. So the main takeaway is that the clients, contributors under the pension scheme can be served better, and even the operators have looked inwards on how they can deliver service to those contributors in a more professional way.
Going by the insightful deliberations made at this conference, the Nigerian pension and insurance market will no doubt experience a boost and massive rebound despite the prevailing economic challenges. Blessed Omonose, TVC News, Lagos.